Today's video is sponsored by Blueland. More on them later in the video. The rain is falling in tempered streams today. I'm able to do some meditative homemaking in peace. Won't you join me? Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. I have a light homemaking list to tackle today. I need to do the laundry, clean the kitchen, and make some pretty arrangements from the winter garden. And of course, have a cup of tea. But first, I need to finish getting ready. I find that getting dressed each day improves my motivation. I carefully select an outfit from my 10-item wardrobe based on the weather, what I'm doing that day, and how I'm feeling. Then I accessorize my outfit accordingly. I usually style my hair and wear light makeup. When I open my jewel box each morning and hear the music of the night, I can't tell you how happy I feel. Time for the laundry. I do a little bit of laundry every day. There's always at least one load that needs to be done. Today I'm doing the children's laundry. I'll get that going and then go downstairs to clean the kitchen. While I'm in here are a few quotes on laundry that I love. Pablo Picasso said, "The purpose of art is washing the dust of daily life off our souls." E.B. White, the author of Charlotte's Web, said, "We should all do what, in the long run, gives us joy, even if it's only picking grapes or sorting the laundry." Kathleen Norris wrote, "As for laundry, I might characterize it as approaching the moral realm. There are days when it seems a miracle to be able to make dirty things clean." And now, I'll leave you with a funny one. I love doing laundry, except for putting it in the dryer, taking it out, and folding it, and then putting it away. That was from Anonymous. The kitchen is one of those areas that needs constant daily attention. There's a flow and function that takes place in the kitchen each day. Items to throw away, recycle, food to prepare, dishes to wash, dishes to unload, floors to be swept, tablecloths to lay down, herbs to cut, flower arrangements to refresh. There's a lot. I probably didn't even cover a third of the things that take place in the kitchen each day. The key is not to procrastinate with it, but rather to enjoy it and get it done with. On a day like today, when I'm waiting for the rain to return, I like to be with my own thoughts. I get the best ideas while I'm cleaning the kitchen. I'm going to break away for 1 minute to share Blueland with you as they have kindly brought us today's video. This is their hand soap duo. I absolutely love the concept behind their hand soap tablets. It's genius. You can order the refill tablets, which are $2 or less, and have them shipped to your door. It's so economical. Blueland's cleaning and hand soap tablets are EPA certified, sourced from clean ingredients, and use no single-use plastic in any component of their products. The hand soap duo includes 2 glass reusable forever bottles and 6 plastic-free refill tablets, which makes 6 bottles of foaming hand soap in 3 different scents. They have lily mint, satsuma mandarin, and bergamot rose. Here's what you do. Fill your glass reusable forever bottles with hot or warm water up to the line indicated. Drop one of the tablets into the water. Wait until the tablet is fully dissolved and then put the nozzle on. These foaming hand soaps are wonderful. So get your first hand soap duo by clicking the link below. Thank you, Blueland. Okay, now that I've gotten the cleaning work done in the kitchen, it's time to have some creative fun. My parents gave me some giant grapefruits and lots of lemons from their garden, so I'm going to do a cheerful citrus arrangement on a platter. I think this will look best on the ledge above the table, so I need to wipe that down first. There's something so cheerful about the color yellow. Right now, our yellow roses are in bloom too. What a great pop of color on such a gloomy day. Time to venture outside for another winter arrangement. During the winter months, when the garden is largely dormant, I like to get creative with my bouquets. Our bay tree not only produces bay leaves for cooking, but they look beautiful in arrangements too, and are very fragrant. I'm going to clip some leaves before the rain returns. Sometimes I'll combine the bay leaves with lavender, which we also have on hand this winter, and the occasional roses that are experiencing a winter bloom. This particular bay leaf arrangement is for the living room. I'm going to place it in a blue and white ginger jar to liven up the dark corner with some vibrant life. By the way, people are always asking how we keep white sofas with small children. Well, this is my secret. I cover the sofas in white and cream plush blankets. They protect the sofas and still look pretty good. I wash the blankets once a week, and if company comes over, I'll generally take the blankets off, but that's how we do it. I love the coziness of this room, and my favorite part of the room is the artwork. Let's enjoy a cup of tea together now. I can tell the storm is returning. It's getting windy outside. I'm using the Peak Hibiscus Beauty Elixir. I love this tea, it's delicious. Having it with a slice of cherry pie. And reading Gwen John's biography by Sue Rowe. I'm taking my time with this book, but I keep coming back to it. Gwen John's life was so interesting, and I love her artwork. I really like to study artists' lives. I find the creative process fascinating. The rain is beginning to fall again. The air is charged with moisture, and I need to close the shutters upstairs. Thank you for joining me today for Meditations on Homemaking. I hope I was able to keep you company with your homemaking today too. Thank you to Blueland for bringing us this video. And remember to get your first hand soap duo by clicking the link below. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Love, Jennifer.